like to share with us how is the experience in PETECH machine store?
Yes. We have one machine. Its model number is KF56000. We bought in 2021. It's working good. In accuracy, in everything, it is good. And our service provider, who is there, Mr. Shashank, he is giving us very best service. He is also helping us in everything. It is working good only.
Sir, it's been how long you are using Hyundai VI machine?
From 4 years back, we bought in 2021.
Are you satisfied with design of the machine?
Yes, madam, we are satisfied.
So can you give us some detail about Hyundai VI machines, how it works?
Okay, we are using KF5600 and its bed size is 1200, 600 and 500. 600 by 600, okay. That we are using. We are doing production on that machine. We have our own production manifold. We are doing in that. We have one Niken tables we are using. Niken tables and rotary tables we are using. We have a big fixture on that, which we have loaded. From 2 years we are doing production continuously on that. Then accuracy and performance wise it is very good. We are not getting any problems. It is working good, okay.
Thank you, sir.